How to start a profitable cleaning business with $0. I started a cleaning business with literally $0 in my bank account. And within 6 months I was making $1,500 a week. No investment, no loans, no gimmicks, just a system that actually works. And here's the crazy part. Most people won't do this because it requires something money can't buy. Action. Let's break down exactly how to turn $0 into a legitimate income stream that could replace your 9-to-5 job. Part 1. The $0 launch strategy. First, you're not going to use your own supplies. That's the trap most people fall into. They spend $300 on equipment they don't own. And suddenly they're broke before they even get started. Instead, you do what I did. You tell your customers that you provide the cleaning supplies, which means they pay for them. Genius, right? Here's exactly how this works. Your cleaning service costs $80 per hour. That's your rate. Out of that $80, maybe $12 to $15 goes to supplies. You're banking $65 to $68 per hour. And the customer gets everything included in one price. They don't care where the supplies come from. They just want a clean house. Your first customer probably already exists in your life. It's your mom, your best friend, your coworker, someone who's mentioned their house is a mess. You literally text them and say, "Hey, I'm starting a cleaning business. First clean is half price. $50. I bring everything." Boom. First customer. First day. $0 spent. Part 2. Scaling without inventory. Now here's where most people mess up the scaling part. They think they need to hire employees. Buy a van. Invest in inventory. Wrong. You use existing platforms that already have customers waiting for you. TaskRabbit, Handy, Care.com. These apps are full of people actively searching for cleaning services right now. You literally just fill out a profile, and work starts coming in. But here's the secret. You can also charge above the app's rate through direct communication. An app might take 30% commission. But once a customer trusts you, get their phone number, offer them $10 off if they book you directly next time. Now you're keeping 100% of that $80 per hour. After supplies and minimal expenses, you're looking at $60 to $70 profit per hour. Work 20 hours a week? That's $1,200 to $1,400. Work 30 hours? You're at $1,800 to $2,100 per week. That's not side gig money anymore. That's life-changing money. Part 3. Building real wealth from the profits. Here's what separates people who make money from people who build wealth. What they do with the money. Let's say you're making $1,600 a week from cleaning. That's roughly $6,400 per month after you account for the few weeks where you don't land 20 hours. Most people spend it. You're not most people. Here's what you do. Open a Roth IRA with Fidelity or Vanguard. Contribute $7,000 this year. That money grows tax-free. You're 30 years old? By age 65. That $7,000 becomes over $80,000 with average S&P 500 returns. Take another 15% of your profits, let's say $900 per month, and throw it into a regular taxable brokerage account buying SPY or VU. In 10 years, that's $180,000 at average market returns. 20 years? Over $500,000. Your cleaning business isn't just a job. It's a wealth-building machine if you treat it like one. The reality check. This isn't glamorous. You're working early mornings. You're on your feet. You're cleaning other people's homes. But it's temporary. You're using the cleaning business as a vehicle to build real assets. Within 3 to 5 years of reinvesting properly, you could have $100,000 in investments making money while you sleep. That's freedom. That's options. That's the whole point. You don't need money to start making money. You need action. Text someone today. Get your first customer. Start the process. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button. We drop money-making strategies every single week, and you won't want to miss the next one. Now go clean some houses and build your empire.